Hello everyone, and welcome back. Alright, as promised, I'm trying to get through some of these challenge locks instead of just having package videos because I've been so busy lately. But, yep, this time I did grab one from our good friend Fast Charlie, and it is pinned by Jeffrey Post. I imagine he's the one that picked it on video 4/14/2018. It's a SEGAL, and it's quick set bidding, quick set keyway, and that is your bidding. Not too bad this time. So hopefully we're gonna get this one on video for you guys today. Probably not until I get home from work, as it is getting late. But let's see if we get it open at least. And I'm just gonna use this tension wrench again, 50 thousandths, and I think I'm gonna give my buddy Truckmaster's pick a break. This one here is almost like his, and I think this is one from the 12-piece stainless steel set from Banggood. Oh, let me zoom this up for us. I almost forgot. I just put my own handle on it. Alright, let's see if we get this open for you guys today. A little click from 3. Feels very soft back here. Like very easy to overset. Got some counter here on 1. Alright. I think that was pin 5. Okay, we got a little turn on the core there, pin 4, with a couple of little clicks. So we are headed in the right direction. Got some counter rotation somewhere here. Pin 1. And a couple of clicks, and I lost that false set we had. Everything got soft back there. Let's see if we get it back. Very soft in the back of this lock. Little clicks. Oh, we're open. Excuse me, I think that was on pin 5. Alright. Another one down. A SEGAL. Okay, let me move this. Let's get this thing open. And see what we have. Alright, let's lock it back up. Grab a pinning tray. And I'm going to have to grab another one because I didn't even put the lock back together from last night. I'm going to use this one here from my buddy Harley at West Coast Picks. He made that on a CNC machine, and he laser engraved my logo in it. That's pretty awesome. Alright, let's get this thing open. I don't know if this is going to work. Maybe. Yes, sir. Awesome. Alright. Oh, this tray has a better shim on it. Okay. See what we got, guys. There's all 5 of your pins. Oh, got a nice T-pin in 4. And got some goodness for sure. Alright, pin 1. I'll use my tweezers here. Looks like a double spool. Some serrations on that little pin on 2. We got a standard in 3. And that T-pin in 4. A nice little serration in that one. And, ooh. Just rounded off. T-pin. Kind of like a little spool. Alright. And we got everything threaded in that core too. Okay. Straighten that out. Alright, let's see what we have up here, guys. I believe that's a spool. Brass spring. Another spool. And a steel spring. A standard. And a spring that don't want to come out. Alright, we're not going to mess with that yet. Let's go for pin 4. Ooh, that's a double spool with a very sharp edge on that one. A steel spring in 4. Let's see what we have here in 5. A standard. I think that's a key pin upside down. And another brass spring. Alright, that other spring didn't want to come out. I can see it poking its head. It is a brass spring. Let me see if I can get it. I don't know why it's stuck. Yeah, there it is. Oh, it's a little wider, that's why. Oh, it's a double. That's why. It's a double brass spring. Alright, nothing done in here, I don't believe. Let me look for sure. Oh, no, I lied. He's got it threaded in every single one, I think, except for 3. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that. This light's a little too bright, but yeah, he's got it threaded in every single one except for chamber 3. Alright, let's zoom it up here. Let's have a look at these pins, guys. One, we have that double spool there. And up top, we have another spool and a brass spring. And we got this one here, a couple serrations, and it's beveled on the top of that one too. And up top on 2 is a spool. Standard here, and a key pin 3, same on the top. This one is pretty cool. We got a nice T-pin with a nice sharp edge there with a serration. And a spool up top here in 4, and actually that's a, I guess you could call that a double spool. Almost complements this one here with that sharp edge. And then in 5 we have this, well, a little spool here and a standard up top. And at 4 we got a steel spring and another brass, and we got this double spring here in 3. But yeah, it was a fun lock, and yeah, I'm getting another one done, and this one will be another one out of the lock lab, somebody else to play with. Alright guys, yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you guys have any questions or comments, comment below, and yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks guys, bye.